sunset. Went for a morning walk down here this morning. Just using the mod microphone at the moment. Just did a test with the one I just bought today. Seems to just be coming out of the one speaker. So I have to get the Rode Wireless looked at. I will try and fix it myself. I'm pretty persistent, but yeah, we'll see how we go. Heaps of people are down here, absolutely packed. Come down here to see sunset. There's a fair few people up there. And there's one of the lifeguards there. If you come here, swim between the poles, and you'll be all right. Like, I've got the marine police up there as well. It's good to see so many people just coming to enjoy sunset here. A bit of a litter on the beach. It normally gets raked up in the mornings, but with the waves that bring us in the filth from the sea, sadly. But it is what it is. Yeah, sunset's normally sometime between 6 and 6:30 here. As I've said before, in Australia, 8:30 during daylight savings. Yeah, some interesting colours here in the sand and all different designs and so forth. I suppose that's where all the bugs come out of. And there's a nice bit of glare that's coming off the sand there in the sunset. But yeah, we took the bike down to the other section today. Yeah, we're going to go explore other parts of the island a bit later. Just I'm waiting for my tattoos to heal. I probably should have taken the flip-flops off actually. I might do like that and get the feet wet, but there is a bit of wave. Yeah, I've had a swim in here probably about 7 years ago, but once the tattoos all healed, like the back's healed, it's just the stomach's probably just a couple of days off. It is bound to wait 2 weeks, but I've got good skin, believe it or not. So like my artist was saying, oh, you can go off a swim tomorrow or something, but I think I'll wait a bit, especially with chlorine. Pardon me. Hopefully the sound's coming up good. I will try my best to try and do something with the road. Like, I was experimenting, and I had to use both of the microphones to get the left and the right to work. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there, but I did a little test with the microphone I bought today and plugged that into the phone and tested that in the hotel, and it actually comes out in both of the speakers. So we might do a few vlogs on the phone as well until we get this fixed up. But I'm really impressed with the GoPro 12, apart from the few issues I've had. But that's part and parcel. You got to roll with the punches. Yeah, I tried. Like, I made a film a bit earlier, going back from a mate's shop. And I was expecting heaps of traffic, but sadly there wasn't much. But on the way to my mate's shop, it was mayhem. But I'm enjoying my time here in Bali. Like I don't like being harassed everywhere I walk. A couple of the touts have worked me out now to keep their mouth shut. But I understand that's how they make their cash. You know, if I'm a bit grumpy, I'll just keep my mouth shut. But I do get sick and tired of people offering me drugs and women. I don't need any women, and I don't certainly need any drugs. I'm high on life. And why wouldn't you be here? This is the island of gods. I made a video today talking about about quitting alcohol and also drugs, because it is coming up to my 4th year of no alcohol. So I'm really proud of myself for that, because as I repeatedly said, it was only going to be a month off, and look at me now. We're coming up to 4 years nearly. And enough of that. Yeah, it's good to see couples and families enjoying this beautiful view. Yeah, here on my lonesome, but there's nothing wrong with that. I quite enjoy my lonesome, but I also would have loved to have my daughter's mum here. But sadly that ship has sailed. Alright, we'll do a bit of a scan across. And there's that nice monument there. Yeah, we'll go and film on a few other beaches. I'm sure you're probably sick of all the videos, which you haven't seen yet, but by the time I release them, I'll probably start releasing stuff shortly. It's just it's coming up to about a month with the time off. Hello. How are you? I'm trying to work out where I know that girl. I think she probably works at one of the massage shops I walk past quite daily. Yeah, you've got to be careful here. They have normal massages, which I go to, and they have the other massages where they offer something a bit extra. But I'm against that type of thing. As you people know, I'm against human trafficking and stuff like that. Yeah, I'll keep quiet about that actually. But it is good to see people here walking and enjoying this beautiful view. And the south set, I think this is a order. Starting to sound like a Kiwi, bro. Yeah, I was at my mate's shop and there was a lovely Kiwi girl that actually works in the mines in Perth. And I picked up her accent quite quickly. But awesome girl. She's also solo traveling. I think she's just here for a week. And she only come into the shop to get one tattoo, and then she kept coming back and getting more and more. And yeah, really good. Really beautiful views here. Yeah, I'll probably just get a couple touches up because I've got the whole stomach finished off. I've got the back completely done. I might just get a little bit of a touch up on the top of the chest and just a bit of sculpt in a few places there. So yeah, I'm very impressed with the work that I have received here in Bali. Yeah, I was over this section a bit earlier, I think a couple of k's away. I still have no idea what places are called, even though I've been here before and spent a bit of time here. But I suppose by the time my time's up here, I will have absorbed all the names. Really beautiful views of nature here, and that rock in the distance looks quite good actually. And the good thing about this GoPro 12 is that you can go for probably like an hour. Like as I said, like they state just under 2 hours, but from my research, you're looking at about 55 minutes in the 4K sort of game which I'm filming in, which is called the standard vision. I haven't tested it out in the 5Ks yet, but we might get there. I think it might actually have 6K, I don't know, I'll have to look. I didn't really read the instructions, but this is just a test on this mod microphone. I know the standard microphone works a lot better, but yeah, we'll see how we go. But I hope everyone's enjoyed this beautiful view. We'll wrap it up quite shortly. Yeah, I've got to like I made a really good video the other day of the street food, but my receiver wasn't going through to my microphone, so I've got to try and work out perhaps through YouTube editor I could probably talk over it or something, or ideally I'd like to put music over it, but I know Bobby Crush just said, oh, don't use the music, mate. But it is what it is. So I do have a couple of editing programs. I can do stuff with that, but it messes about with the 4K quality. So we will try our best in the YouTube studio and see what we can do, because I know they do updates. Yeah, so I hope everyone's going well. I'm getting there. I'm in a happy place. Learning detachment at the moment, because there is a lot of begging here. Yeah, it's quite sad, but I know who are the fake beggars and who are the real ones, because I've gone through times where I haven't eaten for 48 hours, and I can certainly tell someone who hasn't eaten, and I will say to them, let's go have a meal, or I'll take them to the shop and buy them something. But I'm not going to talk about what good deeds I do, you know, because people will edit that up and spin some story on it for their own amusement. I don't look at anything to do with the Thailand genre for quite some time, because I knew certain characters were planning their next attack, because I was one step ahead of them. So eventually I'll probably put the comments back on, but realistically I don't want anything to do with any narcissistic people and people who lie and make up fake stories about me. And so what I don't see doesn't affect me. So I do apologise to all my loyal subscribers that do say positive stuff, but for the time being, all comments will remain off. I will probably do a live stream, probably even before this is even released, and I'm still humming and hawing what to call that stream. But I've got a few ideas of what. Yeah, I don't really want to talk about negative stuff. I want to talk about positive stuff. You know, I don't want to get sucked into drama, you know, and feed the flying monkeys and give them fodder. I'm out here living the dream, you know, while other people are jealous, and that breeds hate. I'm all about spreading love and positivity. And here's a little crab. There's a little crab. There he goes, or she goes. But I'm going to sign off now. I've had enough. I'm going to go chill out. I think I might have a foot massage. I can't have a back massage because like I've got the tattoos there. So I only have legit massages. Yeah, I'm not into the other stuff. So I hope that everyone's good. Hit the likes, hit the thumbs down if that's what you're into. Subscribe, unsubscribe, I really don't care. All the best, and I'm sending out my love to everyone.